Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Google the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. Making Google your default search engine in Microsoft Edge ensures you get the most relevant and comprehensive search results powered by Google's powerful search algorithms. So let's start the video. First, open up Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once you are in the browser, click on the three horizontal dots in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Scroll down a bit and click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on Privacy, Search and Services option in the left sidebar. Scroll down until you see the Services section. Here you will find the option Address Bar and Search. Click on that. Now click on the drop-down menu next to Search Engine Used in Address Bar and select Google from the menu. Currently Bing is selected, so select Google. Now that you have set Google as your default search engine, it's time to test it out. Go to the address bar, type in a search term and hit enter. You should see search results from Google. So that's how to make Google the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching.